So now let's see how we can generate out an HTML code and then embed that HTML code onto our own web page. So to do that, over here you can see that I got a design right here, and this design has two pages. If you were to go around onto the export button right here, then you can see that the embed code option is currently not available. That is because when you want to embed out HTML code, it does not support the embedding if you have more than one design pages. So let me just go around over here onto this one and then delete out the second design page right here, and let me just go around and work with this. So you can see that now I only have one design, and if I were to go around and click on export now, you can see embed code is an option. If you were to go around and click right here, it says adding the finishing touches over here just like this, and then it generates out an HTML code for you right here. So you can just go around and copy this right here. So just go around and copy this. Then you can go around onto your favorite HTML editor with your web page opened up, and then you can go around and paste out your content. So let's say what I want to do is I want to paste it out right over here on this section. I'm just going to replace out the code, and then over here you can see the design load up. Let me just go around onto the live preview right here, and you can see that this is what you have. You got the design right here, and it is a part of my web page, as you can see, just like this. So this is there, and that is how you can go around and then keep the code on your web page that you have. So that is how you can generate out HTML code, that is an HTML embed code from VistaCreate, and embed it into your own website as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.